Lesson 14-1, the coordinate system. So you will find this lesson in page 777 up to page 780 from your book. And our main goal is to locate the points on the coordinate grid. Let's analyze this problem. A map shows the locations of landmarks and has guides for finding them. In a similar way, a coordinate grid is used to graph and name the locations of points in a plane. So you can use the ordered pairs to locate points on a coordinate grid. When we say coordinate grid, means this is the horizontal, which is the x-axis, and of the vertical, which is the y-axis. So a coordinate grid has a horizontal x-axis and a vertical y-axis. So this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. This is the horizontal, okay, and this is what we call the vertical. Okay, so the point at which the x-axis and the y-axis intersect is what we call the origin. So as you can see here, this is the intersection, and that is what we call the point of origin, and it starts with 0. So a point on the grid is named using an ordered pair of numbers. So the first number is always the x-coordinate, names the distance from the origin along the x-axis. And the second number, which is what we call the y-coordinate, names the distance from the origin along the y-axis. What does it mean? So from 0 to 1, that is your x-axis. That's why 1 here is your x value, or what we call the x-coordinate. And this is the y-coordinate, which is 3. So from the point of origin going to 1, and from 1 going up 3 times, because this is your y-coordinate, and y-coordinate means going up. Okay, so the location of the ordered pairs 1 and 3. So from the point of origin, we need to move 1 going to the right. Then from that 1, we're going to move up 3 units going up. So the point is there, and that is what we call point A. Next, you are graphing point E at 0, 5. Do you move to the right 0 units or up 0 units? Explain. So you move 0 units to the right. Why? Because the first number names the distance from the origin along the x-axis, which is to the right. Okay, so 0 is your x-coordinate and 5 is your y-coordinate. Okay, so remember that one. Next, what ordered pair names the origin of any coordinate grid? So always 0 and 0. The ordered pair names the origin of any coordinate grid is 0. Next, describe how to graph point K at 5 and 4. So 5 is our x-coordinate and 4 is our y-coordinate. If you're going to plot this ordered pair, okay, to the coordinate grid, always remember that you need to move first from the point of origin going to the right, or to the x coordinate, before you go to the y coordinate. So if we're going to describe how to graph point K at 5 and 4, you need to move 5 units to the right from the point of origin and 4 units up. Okay? Next, write the ordered pair for each point using the grid. So this is our grid. We have the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. So we need to locate letter B. Where is letter B? So this is the point of letter B. So always start from the point of origin. So going to 3 units, going to the right. Then from 3 units, how many movement? 1, 2. So from the point of origin, how many movements? We have 1, 2, and 3. Then from that 3, we need to go up for y coordinate, which is 2. That's why the ordered pair now is 3 as your x coordinate and 2 as your y coordinate in order to find the location of letter B. Next, how about letter A? As you can see here, letter A from the point of origin. So it is directly on the point of origin. So in short, that is 0 and 0. Okay? So next, name the point for each ordered pair on the grid above. So by using the grid above, we have 5 and 3 as our coordinate grid. So how are we going to name the point? So where is 5 and 3? So from the point of origin, from 0, we need to move 5 movements going to the right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from that one, we have 3 as your y value or y coordinate. So from 5 going up, 1, 2, 3, and that is letter D. That's why the answer is letter D. Another example, we have 1 and 4. 1 is your x coordinate. So from the point of origin, we need to move 1. Then from 1, we need to go up 4 movements or 4 units going up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that point is letter C. Next, write the ordered pair for each point and use the grid. Now, if you want to pause the video, pause. Then we're going to find the answer later. Okay, so I think you are ready. So, letter T, where is letter T? This is letter T. So from the point of origin, so that is 0. And going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 0 and 5. Letter X, this is your letter X. Where is letter X? This one. Okay, so from the point of origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, then going up 1, 2, 3, so the ordered pair is 4 and 3. It's not possible to reverse the location because once you change the order of the x coordinate and the y coordinate, the plotted point becomes wrong. Okay, so be sure that you know what is the x coordinate and the y coordinate, and always start in the y and the x coordinate before the y coordinate. Okay, let's continue. Letter Y. Letter Y is this. So from the point of origin, move 1, and no need to go up because the plotted point is here. So it means the x is 1. Okay, and the point of origin, okay, the x is 1 and the y is equivalent to 0 because it is on the point of origin. Okay, next, W. W is this one. So from the point of origin going to the right, we have 3, then going up 2 times, so 3, 2, the ordered pair. Next, letter Z. Letter Z is this one. So from the point of origin, move 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1 and 4. And letter S, from the point of origin, always start with the x coordinate. So S is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 5. Now, let's name the point for each ordered pair on the grid above. So we have 2 and 2. So where is 2 and 2? So from the point of origin, x coordinate first 2, then another 2 up, so that is letter L. Next is 5 and 4. So from the point of origin, 5, then 4 above, and that is letter U. Next, 1 and 5. From the point of origin, 1, then 5 up, that is letter Z. I'm sorry, 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it should be letter N. Okay. Next, 0 and 3. 0, then 1, 2, 3. So that is letter M. And 4 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 0. That is letter let's continue. Let's analyze the mathematical practices and problem solving. Question number 19. Let's describe to a friend how to find and name the ordered pairs for point R on the grid. As you can see, this is point R. So our first step is always start from the point of origin and going to the x coordinate. So how many units do we need to move from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, then going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why follow the vertical grid line from point R down to the x-axis and read the number. Then it is 4. So 4 is the x-coordinate. Then after that, next you need to follow the horizontal grid line from point R to the y-axis and read the number. So it is 5. So 5 is the y-coordinate. So the ordered pair is 4 and 5. 4 as your x-coordinate and 5 as your y-coordinate. Next, complete the table. List the point and ordered pair for each vertex of the pentagon at the right. So this is the pentagon. Okay, when you connect all the dots or the plotted points, okay, so it formed a pentagon. So point, so like for example, I need to make point A. So point A is this one. So from the point of origin, I will move 3 times, going to the right, because that is my x-coordinate, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So letter A is 3 and 5. So the ordered pair for letter A is 3 and 5. So if I'm going to give another example, these are the sample answers. So A is 3 and 5. Letter C is 1 and 3. While 1 and 3, this is letter C. So from the point of origin, go to the right, because that is your x-coordinate, which is 1. Then 1, 2, 3 going up, that's why 1 and 3, in order to find out or to locate the point of point C. Okay? Next, or the location of point C rather. Next, letter E or point E. Point E is this, so that is from the point of origin, move 1 unit to the right and move 1 unit up, so that is 1, 1. And letter G, this is letter G, so from the point of origin, I need to move 5 units going to the right and move up once, so 5 and 1 is the ordered pair. And letter I is this, so the same thing from the point of origin going to the right, so we have 5, then going up we have 3, that's why 5, 3 is the ordered pair. So those are the possible answers for letter A, or point A, point C, point E, point G, and point I. So if you want to use point J, point B, it's up to you. Okay, so let's proceed. Why is the order important when naming or graphing the coordinate of a point, or the coordinates of a point? Because so other people will know the exact location of the point. Number 26. How are the x-axis and the y-axis related on a coordinate grid? The x-axis is perpendicular to the y-axis. So that is the relationship between the x and the y-axis. Question number 27. Venus family will visit the place located 4, 2. 4 is your x-coordinate and 2 is your y-coordinate, because the first number from the ordered pair is the x and the second digit is what we call the y. So on the city map, so this is the city map, we have the arena, the park, the museum, and the bridge. So which of the following places is 4, 2? So it means from the point of origin, I need to move 4 movements or 4 units going to the right, because that is my x, and y is 2, means 2 up. So what is that? That is what we call a museum. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much and have a nice day.